Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install LibreOffice 25 version on Ubuntu 24.10. First open any web browser, then go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is LibreOffice 25.2. Click on download, then select download LibreOffice. Then for Ubuntu Linux, we have to select the .debian package from this list. Okay, select it and click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. And wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have downloaded the LibreOffice. It is zip file. We have to unzip it. tar-xvzf. Then give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. See, it is extracting. Ctrl L, ls. Now go to this LibreOffice folder, cd, LibreOffice, ls. Now go to this devs folder, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. Ctrl L, sudo dpkg -i *.deb. It will install all Debian packages from this current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is installing LibreOffice 25.2. We have successfully installed. Let us verify. Control, go to start, then click on the show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice applications. Okay, suppose if you want to open LibreOffice Calc, it is like Microsoft Office. Click on it. It is like Microsoft Excel. See, you got the LibreOffice Calc application. Let me close this one. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded and installed LibreOffice 25.2 on Ubuntu 24.10, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Go up directory, again go up, ls. See, these files are not required anymore, so remove them. Hit enter. Also remove this LibreOffice directory, rm-rf, then give the LibreOffice, hit enter, ls. See, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice 25.2 on Ubuntu 24.10. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.